gonna get over? Yeah, we need MEMS and everybody.
BODYCAM, notify state police, none of the 18-wheelers
run
strike
down
one of
there?
our patrol vehicles on the highway. It's going to be a code 9. The 18-wheeler's in the trees.
What begins as a routine encounter quickly turns into a tense standoff involving a massive tractor-trailer. With every passing second, officers must balance public safety against the risks of stopping such a heavy vehicle. How will they bring this dangerous situation under control without anyone getting hurt?
4090, is that busy?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Hey, police vehicle, I need you to get on the interstate from the 17 southbound.
Identified, they're already en route. Fires, then they're heading over to you. We're getting into route now.
Got to be advised, 49 was not in the vehicle.
24 to 28. You guys just wait.
I got 45. The gentleman in the tractor trailer is out of the vehicle.
Freeway on underneath the underpass.
First one, the rest ones are out MVA 67127.
Go ahead, 78.
I'm coming from Carlisle. You got another trooper coming from 440, so she'll be there momentarily.
10-4, thank you.
situation is reaching its most critical stage. Coordinating around a tractor-trailer requires patience because one wrong move could trigger a devastating crash. Officers appear to prepare specialized equipment while maintaining distance. Would you risk forcing an immediate stop or wait for the safest possible opportunity before intervening decisively?
Shadow Creek 38.
I'm assuming you guys know you're probably going to need a broom. I think they said it's like 100 nails.
Come on, Cat, I'm 97.
Yeah.
Get it off the shoulder.
Okay.
No, I got it, but
there's a free there, so I kind of want to block the way.
no, just leave it.
That's awesome. I was going to take this Max driver to get another truck for this trailer. Trailer.
Where you at?
You want to come walk with me out here to Men's? We're going to check you out. You still able to walk?
20 Cabot Logan, Illinois, truck 28. Cabot Logan, Illinois, truck 28. Hall 1132635. P1132635.
This incident highlights how discipline, communication, and patience often matter more than speed during high-risk operations. Every decision aimed to reduce danger while bringing the event to a controlled conclusion. What would you have done differently? Like, comment, and subscribe for more real police pursuit breakdowns and analysis.